Hi guys, welcome to the Advent YouTube channel, and this is Nixon. Today we are going to solve a new problem from Geeks4Geeks. It is a medium difficulty problem. Add two numbers represented by linked list. Given two decimal numbers represented by two linked lists of size n and m, the task is to return a linked list that represents the sum of these two numbers. So let's take this example as our example. We will be given two linked lists 3, 4, 5 and 4, 5. We have to consider this as 345 and then we have to consider this as 45. And then if we add 345 and 45, we'll be get 390. And what we are going to do is we are just going to reverse it. For example, we will be having 3, 4, 5. We are going to reverse this as 5, 4, 3, and then we are going to reverse the second linked list to we are going to reverse it as 54, and then we are going to add singly. If we had 5, so if we add 5 plus 5 will be get 10, and we are going to create a carry variable. We are going to keep that carry variable here, and we are going to keep that 1 on this variable, and then we are going to add 0 here, and then we are going to add the next node 4, and then this node 4, and we'll be get 8, and then we are going to add this carry. So this carry will become 0. We'll be getting 9, and then there is no node here, and so that we are directly putting this value here, and then we are going to reverse our result code like this. 3 like this. So this was the procedure we are going to do. It's if you understand this problem, it's just quite simple. So now we are going to create a new function which reverse our node. Here currently I'm coding for the reverse purposes. Sorry. Initially I'm just taking care of the corner cases. So after this exact if condition, if the head contains single value, or if the head contains null value, it will return directly the head value. Here I'm going to create 3 values. I'm creating another value. I'll be naming as temp. And I need another value for take care of the previous values. Yeah. Temp not equal to null. And then previous, and then so what are the procedure I just followed here is I'm just swapping every next value. For example, the next value of 1 is 5. We are just going to swap every previous value into next value. So this was the procedure. And now let's move into the main function, add to list. Here I'm going to create two nodes temporary nodes. This node equal to reverse. And then I'm going to create my node, which I'm going to return. I'm just creating a node with a 0 value, and then I'm having a carry. So I'm going to traverse. First node. Here we have to check, null check. Yeah, here we are just started to traversing it, and then we are creating an integer, two integer value. So here we have to check whether the value is null or not. We are going to collect the first node data and also the second node data. Before that, we have to check whether the first node data or second node data is null or not. So I'm using the conditional operators. And then I'm creating another value called sum. Here I'm going to add it, value 1 plus value 2 and also the carry. Now I'm going to get the carry value. If you want to get the carry value if we had the result 10, if we want to get the particular one value, we have to directly use the divide symbol by 10, and then we are going to get the final value. What is final value? I mean, we have 10, 1 is carry and 0 is the final value. So this is what my assumptions. So we can get the result value by directly using the modulo symbols. So I'm just creating a node with this value, and then I'm going to create a temporary node here for the result. Yeah guys, and we did this part and we have to move to the final. So we are going to check the carry whether not equal to 0. So what is the purpose for checking whether the carry is not equal to 0? For example, if we had 99 plus 99, or if we had 99 plus 1, we'll be getting 100. In these cases, we have to add the carry here. So see, I'm right, we have to add the carry, just creating a new node before the remaining node. This is what we for this purpose we are checking this. So yeah, let's do it. If the carry is not equal to 0, if equal to 0, we directly return the reverse of, what is it, result node. What next? In these cases, we have to create a new temporary node with carry value, and then temp dot next equal to, we have to get that result and then we have to return the temp value. So yeah guys, I think I did it. Now let's try. Yeah, I must return statement here. Yeah guys, it's successful, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the Advent YouTube channel. Please don't hesitate to comment if you had any suggestions, and if you had any doubts in this video, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment or in the Instagram. Thank you guys. Bye bye.